Dirty bad mind, but me do so. Be a negative, you just
nobody at Portland, nowhere else. Zane, me can't get no work cause of my address. Zane, so what you left me for do now?
Not gonna rob and thief.
But you tell me, say me fi get education, me get student loan, me go get education. Zane,
Then
get
you
the
say your address
education.
now fit enough.
The address no fit for everywhere me go, me can't
So
get no
hold
job.
on, I may create address.
Eh?
The whole country na response, government na response. Then I make all we get address.
Alright.
So hold on, I may create the address for me.
No, government. So let's
So why we not get a job?
Why we
So
can't
hold
get
on,
a job?
Special address can't get job.
Look so.
A prejudice you call that, man.
Yeah, call up now. Then for instance, me live in a one bad community.
Prejudice
Yeah.
you call
That not say me no want a job.
But that no say you bad.
Me need a job.
You need a job.
Of course.
You use the volatile area
But-
now to define you now, you know.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
So you got
So you turn me now if you go bad, you know.
Alright.
I turn you know,
You
turn
go
me
bust
now if
gun.
you go bad.
Cause
Yeah.
you go so boom now. Go school. Zane. You get one student loan because mommy can't manage to pay for the education. You boom, go through, done college, you know you have a bag of money to pay back, so you have to go look at work.
I have to.
Alright, you go out there in the world now, bam, me can't get no work because of my address
You
and
have
my
to go
area.
change address.
But me not have nobody nowhere else to
You
go
have to
to.
go try.
So what me I go do?
Run away.
Yeah.
Run
When me
away.
run when me I go there on street side. Me go there end
Rent
up dead.
somewhere.
No.
Somewhere.
Walk for nothing better than sit down for so-so.
No, brother.
Makes sense.
So
You go have the first 2 month rent.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So where you
You
go
must
then?
make
But
money.
suppose you don't have no money.
You are going to stay in a hardship and the bag of violence and crime.
You have to go try to do something for help yourself, brother. It's either you have to take up badness, or you have to run away, or you have to rob somewhere, or something. But you have to go do something to help yourself, else the system will go kill you same way. Because them same man will come back and kill you, you know.
Where them left you for do help yourself down. That mean them can come for you.
Yeah.
Cause you have to go do for crime.
Alright.
Yeah, well that's why I tell you them yesterday, so you know when me learn and when me take for my sacrifice to be hungry.
Okay. I can't lie myself that too.
So you see when me know me
Hungry
can't
was
bear
my
my hunger,
sacrifice,
me not
yeah.
gonna rob you, you know.
No.
No.
Me hold man. Something
Remember,
have to come
you
in.
know must want to give me a
used to
job, you know.
No.
But maybe he will give me the close.
You know what me used to do?
You understand me? He no must have a job to give me, but he can't give me the close link.
Yeah.
Me used to dep on one block. You know what me used to do? Sometimes we did it. Because I not tell no lie now. Look at something there yard can eat more while. Me can cook a look pot more while. But I don't say me uptown like everybody, but
Yeah.
look at something there.
There,
Mama
there.
try to make look at
Look
something.
at something there,
You see me?
definitely.
So, if me dep on a block and me hungry, me can't find me 2 ball and look at me can boy.
Boy, my
But
yard.
watch you now. Dep on the block and see man I say they're hungry already. You know, so me try to wall out for beer this to really see what I go on.
Of course.
To see what cat really I go through for real. And wall out. And yes, when me really feel like say me can't bear this a bumbuckler. This no nice.
Yeah, and you have a source.
Yes,
Where you
them
not
and me
to
have
do
a
this.
source, so me not have to do this.
Right.
So me
Try.
just imagine to the youth them
When
when
you
have
have
a
no source,
source.
definitely.
Oh,
brother,
that
definitely,
them feel.
Definitely, yeah.
Brother, sometimes when the gas one way and lick me have to lift up bad man.
As
I'm
so-
gonna find sometimes hot water me have to drink before me can even
as some would want the leader them for do too.
Yeah.
You wake up this morning and you know name nothing.
Not
and
feel
nothing.
all day.
Yeah, no name nothing.
But now
Yes.
2 weeks.
Just tell yourself so you can't afford
yeah.
nothing to eat.
Go
You
parliament,
know have
do what you
it.
have to
Yeah,
same
you
way.
know have it for eat.
Watch the paradigm shift.
You gonna bear that?
No, I can't be
Nah,
that.
bear
I'll
that.
show you.
But no for them never live in the
Look now.
area where them are serve.
Look, no. Look, I'll show you a paradigm shift. The man say each create their own reality to you know. Cause watch out. Me go some bounce as a young youth. And me breed one girl and she at 13. And me about 16. See?
Yeah.
And me go some bounce. And me get to a little side work. And me struggle with my little youth to carry him up to a little level. When him start go to school now, when he reach say, high school,
Yeah,
his mother migrate.
yeah.
Me a man now, you know, me never
Oh,
me
Alright.
never too have no education and certain things, you know. You know how the thing go with me now, a certain little work and hustling around and
Yeah.
everything there.
Yeah.
Watch out
Survival
now.
like game.
Watch out now, you know. The lack of education and then not seeing the need to educate yourself because what you know, as me just I tell you a while ago too, the best thing you can learn is when you teach yourself,
Yeah.
Because enough of them are going to teach you, know if you're right or wrong.
True.
Them a teach you if you can work for the system.
Look at now, me not done
Yeah.
Watch his style now, So therefore, over the years too, it becomes a generation gap and repeat itself because watch you know. Your parents grow you and you try to make sure so you learn and go to school and get a good education and way. But that's just what him mother teach him or him parents teach him.
Right.
So when that no work, what you gonna do after that? I remember uncle, something you try, You're not sure what gonna be the outcome of this,
Definitely.
So when you try that and you never have a plan B and that fail, what you do?
Fuck the trouble no did it now,
What you
man.
turn to?
Trouble they no did it now, man. They not teach you right.
What you think you have to do?
Yeah,
Eh?
go try to get some knowledge for
You
yourself.
go hit the road and gather as much knowledge for
But as we
yourself as
say-
you can.
If you did get the education and you can't get a job, what you think you have to do?
You're not going to turn to something illegal or
Go try
something
create
now.
a job.
Try create something now.
I'm gonna try to create something.
You see,
Yeah.
you have to try
Some
create-
farm away
Alright, and
possible.
watch another thing again now. You go some woman can't get a job, see? And you say, rascal. You know, say, one little party going on there, so. I get one little stall put on the front or something.
Future now.
To me. You put one stall on the front there, so. Zane,
Yeah.
police start come tell us say you can't sell your
your
so.
soul, yeah.
This a bother you.
Say
Metro
illegal
police,
vending, really.
illegal
All of that thing
vending,
again.
and that now. You understand
And
what
I
I
try,
say?
I try
And I
create
try create something
Remember,
now.
6 months till you bush a plan.
Alright, you come a road now, nothing
So
can
you go sell no car produce, come in.
Alright.
You yourself can't sell your
No.
car no vending here, and if you stiff up your goods, them go on a stage and put them
Them
for
take with that.
rotten.
And Metro take with that
And
and
you
carry
have
the
to go pay
yard.
a court to get them back.
Yeah.
Where that I go?
So how
But
me
then
I go
left-
have things?
But then left me for
Oh,
do
me
now.
I go have things. Me always I go in need.
Yeah.
Because remember, me put in hard work for them,
Yeah.
and tell myself, say, at this I go turn me something. And when me look gonna take away from
So this so now then control you, because you're always in need now, so you have to turn
always
to
I go
them.
in need, yeah.
You
You don't have to
understand?
turn to them. You got do wrongs.
I have education and you still
And
not
when
get
you-
a job. You
you-
try
you
You got
and
do
Yeah.
wrongs,
no, you
so
have to
them
do
get you
wrongs.
up and
Them
you
get
know.
you up and
But
same way.
Right.
other part that them a leader down in the
Right, that's it.
And
Right,
if you
that's
turn to them, then control you now.
Of course.
Because everybody around with politics and I say, alright, this man a real, him a real. You can't scratch them control you, then tell them and get rid of you. You understand? Then still have it up on you same way.
That's it. The system just designed against you,
Yeah,
Yeah, so you see it? A survival we have to fight.
yeah.
You understand me? No fight for nothing else. Anything else will come after.
I want
You understand me?
I want thing
Just
can
fight
uplift
for
you
survive
right now,
in that game, yeah? And you will
Everything
see
good.
what
You all we now need to unite and then fight for survival.
And that we can't get.
No, we not
Is
gonna
it-
get that.
Hard.
If
Really.
you can't get
Education
unity.
where them put in away now.
And that are the thing
Brainwash
we
it.
prejudice.
Cause the black not feel like the brown,
racism
the one who
and
live on the
things,
in not
yeah.
feel like the one who live on the
Racism
flat.
and some
That one
other
then the
things.
tall not feel like the short.
Yeah. All the way with
Jealousy.
the Yeah.
You
Remember them
understand what I
party
said?
first,
So that part and separate.
Yeah, man, them
the
party
next thing
first.
again now, Christianity, religion, me mean. Religion. Too much religion, division that now. Cause you worship cow, this man worship a dog, me worship the light post here.
That's why you hear them tell
And
you,
that
say,
are your God, that are my God.
Yeah.
And me can't tell you, say no, that no work for you, cause of that you believe in and that are
what
your
you think is
religion.
Babylon plan?
To divide and conquer.
Divide and rule. And they only plan them up. The divide and rule. If we be together, them can't rule with.
No,
But when them create for them things that we divide with,
yeah.
We have more control over
them
it.
have
And
more
more
control.
control, yeah.
So the only plan that Babylon have. Babylon have another plan.
Because watch out.
Remember me tell you now.
That's why them break it down and give a subdivision,
Of
Because
course.
look at now. If you put 10 of them together, you can't go so with it and break it,
Get stronger.
But if you have one and hold it and go so you mash.
Yeah.
But if you put 10 of them together and go so you can't mash it.
Can't,
So
man.
it show you say when the people unite
No more strength,
and
man.
more strength
Yeah,
that
man. Yeah, man.
show over for them system where them are create to
Definitely.
it.
And
You
that's
get what
why
I
them
deal
tell
with
you,
now?
say, when me a youth,
We as human above the
And we
government.
there on the
and we are
roadside
the
like
government
yourself.
overall.
And you see police a come.
Yeah,
Them a tell them man they were over there, so say.
yeah,
All of we figure up on one side.
yeah.
Then now pass we on two sides.
Mhm.
All of we figure up on one side. You know what that mean?
Okay, easy kill you, yes or no?
Oh, them not
How we
trust
no
we.
grow up now? They not
Them not
trust us.
trust we. Right, so them
Because
no
them
want.
know over this and uno over this. So they,
And them in I
Miggle.
middle. Them no want that.
Them can't want that.
Right. Them no want that. So you see, I saw you see, make them divide we. So me always I go stay away from you. So you not
Yeah.
go have no strength. Me no have none. You no have none. You understand me? So him have the angle of we.
At all times.
All times. Cause we no have no strength. If me unite with you, you know. Me and your strength alone are power, you know.
Mhm.
But they
Combine
enough
for me and your strength
strength.
together,
So-
power that
so
in a
imagine
But
now-
that them do against we, you know.
Alright.
Then combine for them strength.
But they
fight
no want to
we,
see
you know.
we are unite
No.
though. Cause them a tell themselves so we are go too strong and we
Stronger
might
than them.
overthrow
With
them.
Mhm.
So
But
they
them-
no want to see
because
that.
Them are going to realize once somebody out of that must find out that.
So are we fool, you know?
Of course.
Wonder if you don't believe me.
Are we
we fool,
fight to
get
one
up and eat
another?
to one another,
What I
brother.
mean, man, and
Alright.
I
And
see
we
her
fool,
right.
you know. A part of the lynch, you know.
Yeah,
Part
apart
of the
of
lynch we get, you know.
lynch, yes, but
We
watch
lynch
out
cinch
now.
on.
Watch out again
Yeah.
too. Some way.
Now for we not take the lesson them neither.
No.
You know I
And
take
some
the
way.
lesson.
Cause look,
That's no
you
lie.
know cut you my soldier.
Yeah.
You see the negative?
Yeah.
It's easier for gravitate.
Yeah,
than the
positive.
Yes,
Yes.
man.
And I understand,
Just
brother.
like the inner spirit of you, we are going to tell you to do good.
Right, right.
Yeah. That always was